All right, number 49 on section 1.6, we are to solve for x. So the first thing in part A is I see x is in the exponent, and so I'm going to take a log on both sides. You could use log or ln, either one is fine. I'll log on both sides. So what that does is allows us to bring the x minus 5 down in front. So it's x minus 5 log of 2 equals log of 3. And then this is all one piece because it was in the exponent. So I'm going to try and get that by itself. So I divide both sides by log of 2. So I have x minus 5 equals log of 3 all over log of 2. And then I would add 5 to the other side. So x equals log of 3 divided by a log of 2 plus 5. And you can type that into your calculator. And so here's my exact answer. And then I would, oh, I got cut that off. Or the approximate. So x is approximately 6.585. So that's for A. Then B, we're using ln's. So in order to get rid of ln's or logs, you need to make sure there's only one on each side. So I would put those together with multiplication. So I'd have x times x minus 1 equals 1. And then I would just simplify. So I would have x squared minus x equals 1. And now in order to get rid of my ln, it's really a base e. So I could write it as a base e and do the swing move. So I'd have e to the first equals x squared minus x. That's one option. The other option is if you just take base e on both sides. So then we'd have 0 equals x squared minus x plus, minus, I'm bringing the e to the other side, so minus e. And now from here, it's a quadratic. Okay, it's a really kind of ugly looking one because it has that e in it. So what I would do is I would go ahead and solve this using the quadratic formula. So taking this to the next slide. Come on. There we go. Because you can't factor that one. So quadratic formula, so x equals the opposite of b. So my b is currently negative 1, so it'd be 1 plus or minus the square root of b squared, negative 1 squared, minus 4 times my a, which is 1, times my c, which is negative e, all over 2a. So it'd be 2 times 1. So x is equal to 1 plus or minus, and then it'd be 1 plus 4e all over 2. Okay. And then in order to get your numeric answers, you would go ahead and type it in. So x is approximately, so you do 1 plus the square root of 1 plus 4e divided by 2. So one answer you guys would get is 2.223. The other answer would be 1 minus that radical. So 1 plus 4e, and then divided by 2. And you should get for that one negative 1.223. So those would be your approximate answers. Okay, this would be your exact. For, what was this? 49 part B.